Today I'm talking about a $40 million tender controversy that's got everyone talking. President Emerson Mnangagwa recently opened a $40 million refinery plant in Mutare, a huge investment by the Willowton Group. The plant's all about adding value to agricultural produce like soya beans and sunflowers. Sounds good, right? But hold on. Chamisa is throwing shade at Mnangagwa over an alleged $40 million tender given to Wicknell Chivayo. For those who don't know, Chivayo is a controversial businessman with a history of murky deals. Chamisa is questioning the transparency of this tender, given the country's history of corruption and inefficiencies. Now, that's a big accusation. He's basically saying, hey, Mnangagwa, what's really going on here? But Mnangagwa isn't backing down. He's all about eliminating investment impediments and pushing for modernization and efficiency. He even said, and I quote, whoever, by whatever means, decides to stand in the way will definitely fall by the wayside. Strong words. So, is this a genuine move to boost the economy, or is there something shady going on behind the scenes? With Chamisa and Mnangagwa locking horns, it's hard to say, but one thing's for sure. The people of Zimbabwe are watching closely. They want transparency, honesty, and real development, not more corruption. Let's see how this drama unfolds. Will Chamisa's accusations hold water, or will Mnangagwa prove him wrong? Only time will tell. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed. Thanks for watching.